Ladies and gentlemen, today we witness the creation of that most sophisticated of adornments, the collar clip. Once reserved for aristocrats, professors, and people who say, indubitably, far too often. But now, thanks to our fearless crafter, you too can achieve this level of refinement. Why settle for ordinary collars when you can link them together with shiny bits of charm and sheer determination? Let us observe.
Okay, so for the collar chain, my plan is to glue these adorable little hummingbirds to some of these pins. That's what I'm going to use to attach it to the collar. Now, my only issue is, because I have shirts with collars that are different widths apart. So I don't want to make it too short that it can't really fit on the furthest collar, but so long that it like hangs down super low. So I think I'm just gonna wing it as usual. I'm just gonna figure out what distance I think it needs to be, and then depending on what shirt I wear it with, maybe I'll make different length chains later and maybe put like lobster clips on any like accessories that you can put on it, and then you can just kind of like interchange them. But for now, we're just gonna make the one and we're just going to secure them with jump rings. But we might change it in the future. Okay, so first step is getting the hummingbirds off of the paper. And make sure when I glue these on that I glue them on so they're facing each other, or do I want them facing away from each other? Ooh, I had it planned out, but now I don't know. I'm gonna do them facing each other. That's what I originally wanted. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay, I'm gonna put a good amount of glue on here. Make sure that stays. Flip you. Let those sit for a second while I figure out the length of the chain. Ingenuity at its finest. Wish I had a mirror. Okay. So let's say all right. If they're about this far apart, I wonder if I should just measure this on the chain. Probably. And I think I'm just gonna put maybe some larger jump rings to hold the chains together, and then I'll put that kind of onto the pin before I put the pin in. That way you can, you know, change it if you want. Okay, so let's say that they're about this far apart. I don't want it super... that feels right. Very scientific on this channel. Okay. There's one. The second one is a thicker chain, so and it's gonna hang a little bit lower. Okay, so if that's that long, if I make it that much longer, sure, it looks good. I always hate cutting the links. I feel like it's a waste of a link. Let's attach these to two large jump rings. These are very thin jump rings, so I hope that's not going to be a problem in the future. But as usual, is a problem for future Tami. Okay, that side is down. I feel like I should have started with this project. It seems to be going much faster than all the others. Okay, so there's that. Now, I would like to add these, I think. because I think it'll just give it a little extra spice. This is like if my grandmother was like punk. I think that's the center point. I guess there's an easier way to find out. There we go. Okay. Put you in there. Put you here. I fear I'm going to put something on backwards at some point. Because what kind of project would this be for me if I didn't mess something up at some point? I am loving this. This is like the kind of grandma I always thought that I would be. Like, not quite like the other grandmas, but still kind of a little bit. Or somebody like masquerading as a grandma. Now, do I want to put these on the big one? Or do I want to put them on the small one? Wow. My hands are giving up on me. Okay, I want this on here this way. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Where's the opening? There it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Because I can count. Thank you, Sesame Street. Okay. I love this. Oh my god, I love it so much. This looks amazing. And now all we have to do... Why did I spend all of that time trying to decide which way I wanted these to go? Because I can literally just change them. Oh my. I love this so much. I don't have a collar on, so you can't fully tell. Oh god, I almost dropped it. Come on. Or I guess the collar's like up here. Come on. Oh my god, I love this. Oh, hello. That tail goes into some places.
And there you have it. A pair of collar clips transforming any blouse into an outfit that screams, yes, I read poetry, and yes, I'm fabulous. If this demonstration tickled your fancy, why not subscribe? Leave a comment applauding our crafter's impeccable taste, or simply share the most ridiculous word you can say with a straight face. And don't forget to click the bell so you never miss another glamorous lesson in crafts that shouldn't work, but somehow do. Until next time, keep your collars crisp, your chains shiny, and your vocabulary delightfully unnecessary.